Today, I'm going to show you how Agentforce transforms your contact center's voice channel experience. Here, we have a customer, Thomas, who's having an issue with his washing machine. He's going to call into Astro Appliances Service Center to get some help with this.
Hi, Thomas. Thanks for calling into Astro Appliances. How's your day going?
Notice that instead of a generic IVR message, Agentforce provides our customer with a personalized greeting.
Well, it's going well so far, but I'm a little frustrated with one of my washing machines.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm seeing some data from your washing machine that there's been a couple of failed cycle starts. From the system's diagnostics, there seems to be a blockage in the detergent tray area of the washing machine. If you are near your machine, I can help you start fixing that issue.
Agentforce is powered by real customer data, in this case telemetry data from the customer's machine, which allows the agent to be grounded in what steps to take to help resolve this issue.
Yes, that would be very nice.
So what you're going to do first is locate the detergent tray to the top left of your washing machine's door. Let me know once you've found that.
Yeah, I found the detergent tray.
Okay. Now go ahead and pull it out. Then locate the jets on the upper side of the compartment. Check them and clean them if necessary. Clean the jets before repowering the machine. After it is done, push the detergent trays back in to close it.
Okay, it's clean. There was some paper.
Great to hear that your detergent tray is cleaned. Now that you're finished, let's run a test cycle. Locate the panel for cycle settings on your washing machine. With the dial that sets your washing preference, turn it until the words test cycle appear on the screen. Once selected, hit the start button. This should take about 10 minutes. Give me a heads up once you've got the cycle running.
Yeah, okay, the cycle is running.
As you can see, the customer could just interrupt the agent and it stopped talking and started listening again. So this is really a natural conversation flow.
Perfect. While we're waiting, I noticed that your machine's warranty will expire in the next month. Since you've had your machine for a while, would you be interested in extending its warranty?
Yes, absolutely.
I appreciate you for trusting me with your issue today, Thomas. I'm transferring you to one of our Astro Appliances representatives. Have a good day, mate.
You've just seen as Agentforce help a customer resolve their issue grounded with troubleshooting steps from the machine's manual and live customer feedback. And when the call gets to our customer specialist, what they see isn't a restart of the conversation. Rather, it's full of context from the conversation catch-up, the agent-created recommendation, and AI-generated next steps, powered by the context of the conversation. And on top of that, they can also see the same telemetry data from the test cycle. So they can hit the ground running fast and bring the customer engagement home. So how does Agentforce help you build these voice experiences? What you're looking at here is the Agentforce Builder, where you can add voice as a channel to any agent with a few clicks. And this is globally available now. All that is left to do is tune the voice settings based on your brand. The rest are the same topics and actions that you would have configured for text-based agents already. And when you're ready to see how your voice agent would perform in any condition, you can use agent batch testing, which allows you to measure how successful your agent is in responding to expected customer queries. And once your voice agent is live, you can monitor them with Agentforce observability, giving you a full view of your agent's performance on your voice channel with your customers. And we have deep observability for Agentforce Voice, enabling teams to trace the call conversation, and for PSTN customers even play back the audio.
Yeah, okay, the cycle is running.
And this is also coming soon for global customers, along with other enhancements such as multi-turn voice conversation testing and the ability to use Agentforce Script to add deterministic controls to voice conversations. So now you have learned that voice is our first-class channel across all of Agentforce Studio. To learn more, visit agentforce.com. Thanks for watching.